Amesh? You after school, boy? Come put it in the back. Put it in the back. Up, up, up. I love my sea moss. I love my sea moss. My life is sea moss. Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankh Eru from jamtoursafrica.com, experthavenrealtor.com, veganchoicefoods.com family, and no jamtoursafrica.com family. Book your one-time lifetime consultation fee. It's a one-time fee, and you can always actually link up with Jam Tours. What I want to do, everybody will book this one-time consultation fee. I want to put them into a WhatsApp group so we can share ideas, because what I noticed, family, you know what I mean, I learned so much from you guys when you come, and that actually helped me out to move, family. You know what I mean? So I just want to let you know that I am learning from you while you're learning from me. And I learn more when I get Jamaicans who come. I learn more. Jamaicans push you to do more. They push you that, you know what I mean? Something you never experience, you experience it more when you actually, you know what I mean, you know, touring with a Jamaican. So I really actually noticed that when I'm actually touring a Jamaican, I find myself doing things that, you know, I experience it, but they'll start to ask for it. You know what I mean? Even like the tour that I did with the Jamaicans, couple that came in, and you know, I never really actually explored Nyamachoma before, but them say them want to do it. So, and I know the best spot. That's where I buy my meat when my wife want to cook some meat. That's where I buy it. So I take them there. It was very nice. They really enjoy it. So that's to show your family, you know what I mean? You know, I'm learning, and you know, the more people experience I can learn from, it's actually just make the thing better and better, family. But today, guys, in this video, family, I'm actually, you know, while I was driving home last night, you know, I have to reach home early to help Miss Jam Tours with the kids them, because, you know, actually, you know what I mean, we don't want to have like a live-in mate, house help. We have like a day bag, they call them here. So I have to reach home early every evening to actually help her and so forth, you know what I mean? So today, guys, Amesh will be going out to school for the second day. You know, you went last Friday, so you're going on Monday. And actually, you know what I mean? And so when I was driving, coming in, family, actually, since Jam Tours are coming, so you sit at the front or the back. Let me come and help you. You sit at the front.
I did back for you, please.
Put it at the back, Amesh. Put it at the back. Put it at the back. Good boy. You know what I mean? Yeah, family. So while I was driving, coming in, actually, what time is it now? We're supposed to reach by
8:32.
Guy, I was gonna be late. But I'll tell you more, family. Let's go. Yeah, family. So we just dropped Amesh to school. Miss Jam Tour is going through the app to see what they're doing today. What they're doing today, sweetie?
So arrival time is 8:30 to 9 a.m. And then once they arrive, from 9 to 9:30 a.m., reviewing flags and nature table. From there, 9:30 to 10, language. 10:10 to 11 a.m. break time, where they'll be served cinnamon mandazi served with warm milk. 11 to 12, numeracy. 12:10 to 12:45, lunch break. Lunch today they are eating ugali served with creamed spinach and fish, plus apples.
Okay.
So they have to greens, fruits, and all that.
Balanced diet.
Balanced diet, and like a little protein. That's the school one.
Oh, that's the school
Just
one.
passed,
Just
yeah.
passed. Okay.
And then from 1 to 2, read aloud, like reading loud. Say fish, they shout fish, or whatever. And then at 2 to 2:45, picture reading. The pictures, they point, the teacher points at the sun, sun like that. And then at 2, they'll be served popcorns with freshly squeezed juice. And then Hannah should be home at hopefully 10:45 to 3.
Oh, 3.
So from these snacks is when they come home.
Okay. All right, family. So that's the schooling. You know what I mean? If you guys are interested in actually, you know what I mean, you're coming with your young kids, you're coming to Kenya to get kids or whatever, you know what I mean? Jam Tours can connect you on all of it. It's in a good hospital to give birth. We can actually advise you on that. So, you know what I mean?
Let me add something. Sorry to cut you. And also at the end of the day, just that I don't want to show you guys everything. But at the end of the day,
can I show the picture? Show them the picture.
They sent you
a picture. Show
it
the
has
picture
a lot
them.
of details
like what?
at the top.
You can't click on it.
No, okay.
Click on it and it pop up and show them.
Oh, what they're doing, okay.
So guys, you'll see what they do in the
like
daytime, like the painting, whatever they do in the day.
Whatever activities they've been doing. Yeah. So you'll be showed what Hamesh has been doing all day, or your child has been doing all day. You know, they have cameras all over. Classrooms where they're having their meals. There are cameras all over. So I think it's the one doing all that. And also, at the end of the day, after every meal, I have to be updated. Like last time I was told Hamesh has finished his portion. And also they update it on the camera. I mean on the app. They tell you your child has finished the portion he was served, or he didn't finish, or if he enjoyed it, he didn't enjoy it, like that. Yeah, so that you can know the way forward. In case of any allergies, they'll also tell you, or you tell them your child has allergies, you don't serve this, like that. Actually, they ask you everything. Today we are serving them milk. Should your child eat? No. All right. What do we do? Things like that.
All right, family. Let's go. Yeah, family. So, you know what I mean? This morning is like at the first man wake up so early. Feel like more take a little nap. You know what I mean? But anyway, guys, I can't take a nap right now because, as I said, I have a sister, a Jamaican sister to pick up from. It's coming from South Africa. As you guys know, they're actually the G20 was hosted in Africa for the first time in South Africa, and the Jamaican president and prime minister was there. President, I should say, was there. So I feel like, a lot of Jamaicans actually come over in South Africa and they want to maybe check out Kenya. So they call me up and say, Jam Tours, we're coming in the morning. I want you to actually take care of our sister for us and so forth. So I'm actually, going to pick her up at the airport and, kind of hear her story. And, I have to find place. I'm telling you guys, sometimes I have to say to myself, say, I don't know family. But they called me last night and said they are coming in the morning and I should find them a place. And I have to go so boom on the phone and find a place for them and so forth. So everything is taken care of. So I don't know if it's her first time in Nairobi. So I'm gonna see what she all about in Nairobi, family. But trust me, guys, when you see these things start to come to Africa, you find that everything is coming back to Africa, family. Nairobi to me is actually, when you come on to like Pan-Africanism and Nairobi is the most Pan-African country. And Nairobi should be the capital of Africa if if there's actually, one passport, one Africa, one currency, I feel like everything would run and rule from Nairobi because Nairobi is the most Pan-African country. Kenya is the most Pan-African country where the people actually hold things together, the natives. It's not like in South Africa where you have segregation, seeing where there's a place, a South African can go. So, apartheid still affects South Africa in a way. And Kenya is not like that, fellas. That's the difference with Kenya and South Africa. Kenya would actually get the capital of Africa if we have 54 states, family. But anyway, guys, let's go.
Shake loudly. Shake softly. Hamesh, like this. Softly.
Blackness, made it done, no some melanin, worth more than diamond and gold. Melanin can't be bought or sold. You heard? That's my word. Black gold, I'm genuine. Black and beautiful melanin. Know from long time the first of mankind preserve life like cherubim. Black gold, I'm genuine. Black and beautiful melanin. Know from long time the first of mankind preserve life like cherubim. I'm a real black gold, genuine soul, walking scroll from days of old. Brave and bold, I've never told. Now in the world I lose my soul. A billion together, that's a billion blackness. A billion for wash up a billion black fists. A billion orders in a billion practice. A billion families and the most I got is. Black people know we black self. Black product and we black shelf. Black medicine preserve black health. Black riches restore black wealth. Black gold, I'm genuine. Black and beautiful melanin. Know from long time the first of mankind preserve life like cherubim. Black gold, I'm genuine. Black and beautiful melanin. Know from long time the first of mankind preserve life like cherubim. All nation bow to the black king and the black queen. It's a black dream, such art before as not seen. That's why them wanna kill us with them vaccine. One thing I'm certain, in spite the earth, all of the pain and all of the burden. Blackness no fear behind curtain. I'm a real black gold, genuine soul, walking scroll from days of old. Brave and bold, I've never told. Now in the world I lose my soul. Black gold, I'm genuine. Black and beautiful melanin. Don't know from long time the first of mankind preserve life like cherubim. Black gold, I'm genuine. Black and beautiful melanin. Know from long time the first of mankind preserve life like cherubim. And Watson, put on the shotgun. My daughters and black son.
Peace, love,
This Akuri
and sunlight. This is Ankeru
down
from
jam.
Jam.
You come
Jam to us,
down to
Africa.
Africa.
Good boy. So guys, Hamesh is back from school. I'm so excited. Hi Hamesh.
Yeah, miss.
How are you? How was school?
Is it good?
It was good.
Is it good?
Yes.
Yes.
So guess what?
Teresa, what?
So guys, Hamesh is back from school. I'm so excited, and I was actually updated on the app that Hamesh, you enjoyed your lunch.
Right?
Yes.
Yes.
And your porridge at 10. The break, it's called a breakfast or something.
This is a D.
Yes.
Yes.
So how are you?
Right?
So guys, it's Miss Jamtos back
Peace.
again. Yes, peace and love, African family.
Finally.
Peace, love, and sunlight.
This is the city.
Uh-huh.
This is the city.
So anyway, guys, Hamesh is back from school, and by the way, when we dropped him, we passed our entrance, so we went to Runda Mall, and we got him something. Hamesh, we have a surprise for you. Unfortunately, Papa is not here. Yes, Papa will come in the evening.
If we can.
Yes, from work.
This is the city.
So anyway, guys, I want to see Hamesh's reaction. Okay, Papa, let me finish vlogging, okay? So guys, I have a surprise for Hamesh, and I really want to see his reaction. So come on with us, we surprise him. So guys, you all know Hamesh went with that bag, like for his first day in school. So enjoy your things. Eat. Yeah. So guys, Hamesh went with that bag to school for his first day, and we passed by Runda Mall to this place called City Walk. Yeah, you walk with style, that's their slogan. So we got him something. Ami, remove this. Yes, unpack your gifts. Yes, see what is inside. Bring, I hold this. Yes, remove. No, calm down. Come, stand there.
Can't stand there.
Yes, go stand there, Papa. Open. What is inside?
Open.
Open. Good job. What's that?
What's that?
Your new school bag. Yay! Good job. Hey, Ami knows how to do this thing. Ami,
Emmy,
you love your bag?
open.
Yes, that's it. That was your school bag for today, but from Monday you'll go with that, okay? Yes, there's nothing else inside the bag. Are you happy about your bag? See your bag?
Say back.
Nice. Good boy. Yes. You love your school bag? So guys, that's Hamesh bag. He'll go with it on Monday. Yeah, that was the surprise for him. And seems like he loves it. He loves it already. So see you guys on the next one. We are out. Bye-bye.
The system wasn't built for you to win. You went to school to memorize facts you never use. You were trained to raise your hand, wait your turn, and follow instructions. Then they told you, get a job, work 40 hours a week, give half of it to tax, retire at 67 if you're lucky. That's not a life. That's a script. And most people don't question it because they're too tired from living it. But once you see it, you can't unsee it. That's when you realize freedom was never going to be handed to you. You have to build it. And that's why I teach digital products, because ownership is the only way out. No boss, no begging, no clocking. You move different when you know the system was never designed to serve you. It was designed to use you. Break the script or stay stuck in it.